Hola! Today we're diving into something muy especial, the Llamitas Spanish Curriculum Level 1. Now, let me tell you why this curriculum is lighting up the world of education. It's like a treasure map for educators and parents, guiding us on the exciting journey of cultivating fluent young Spanish speakers. This curriculum lays it all out for you. It's not just a lesson plan, it's a roadmap showing you exactly what to cover and when. With this curriculum, you can take your young leaders on Spanish adventures full of energy and enthusiasm. Imagine the excitement in their eyes as they explore the language through play and exploration. It's like they're on a journey to a Spanish-speaking wonderland, one activity at a time. Llamitas Spanish Curriculum Level 1 makes teaching and learning Spanish a breeze. It's a curriculum that sparks joy and nurtures fluency in our little learners. This curriculum is your golden ticket. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.